online course workshop on money and abundance through Family Constellations.
There's plenty of everything. For everyone.
Did you know that your relationship with money and prosperity does not only depend on your current actions, but on your past?
You'll be able to understand and liberate difficulties with money like debts or gambling.
What motivates greed?
Why does my money keep slipping away?
How can I release beliefs about money that limit my abundance?
What is blocking my inheritance?
Does the way I relate to money strengthen or undermine my couple relationship?
How can I get money and abundance flow in my life?
At this workshop, you will be able to understand and liberate
Unconscious limiting patterns and loyalties.
so as to allow financial success and abundance into your life.
Join us for a transformative workshop.
And step into the new year aligned with the abundance meant for you.